Hi there, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to create collections in Shopify. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. On the left sidebar, find the Products option. In Products, open the submenu and select Collection. This opens the Collections page, listing all your Shopify collection. There's a default homepage collection. To add new, click Create Collection. On the new page, we'll enter the collection title. You can name it anything you like. I'll simply use the category type like t-shirts. Feel free to choose any name you want. You can label it as a summer sale, winter promotion, or based on the product type you're selling. Adding this category is up to you. Below we have the description. You can add it here if you want, but it's not necessary. On the right, you can add a featured image. It's a good idea to add this image as it'll be displayed if you add this collection to the main page. So it's your choice. Next, you'll see the collection type. This is where you'll add product. There's manual mode to choose products yourself and automatic mode. I'll pick manual soon, but let me show you automatic. In automatic mode, you'll set up conditions. You can set conditions like product tags, manufacturer, category, type, or title. You choose the condition for adding a product to the collection. For example, I can select the category and here I want it to be equal. So it's going to be equal to. And here I can choose the category type. In this case, I'll select t-shirts. So I'll pick the t-shirt category and now all products in that category will be added automatically. You can create another condition like price, for example. You can set if the price is equal, less than, or greater than. And you can enter a value, say $10 or euros. So this will add all t-shirts that cost more than $10. Or you can set any condition for products over $10 or in the t-shirt category. You can make it follow all conditions or any single condition. It needs just one. It's up to you. You can create collections like this. When you add a new product to your store that meets the criteria, it'll be automatically added to the collection. Or you can do it manually. In the manual option, you'll see a product search bar below. It'll show all your products and you can manually select which ones to add. So I'll select manually here. I'll add, let's say, 5 products as an example. After selecting the products, just click. These products will then be added to your collection. You can add manually, but you'll need to come back here to add new product. Or you can set it up to add automatically. It's your choice. Once you're done with these settings, click Save at the bottom right. After saving, your collection is successfully created. You can view this collection in your store. When you access your store, it'll show the collection page with all products listed. You can create as many collections as you want and use them however you like. I hope this video helped. Bye.